Hi, this is Lucas Hamilton from the Building Science Group, part of corporate marketing. Today we're going to run through the presentation as BSP 50, which is the science of specifying for moisture and mold control in framed wall assemblies. This is a accredited presentation that is available on the Building Solutions portal for you to review in preparation to giving this presentation yourself. You'll see a lot of the knowledge and a lot of the information in here grows off of the moisture management training, which you have received earlier this year in 2010. And it's pretty straightforward stuff. A lot of talking to the slides, a lot of additional information you can give. Always, share your own personal accounts and experiences along with the slides and make it more relevant. Get real interactive with the people. A lot of question and answers. But please always be very careful not to give product names or company names or things like that in your presentations. Good luck. It is a great presentation. It's one that's very popular right now. A lot of requests for it. So please pay attention. If there's anything we can do to help you out or any questions you have after you've reviewed this, please feel free to contact me directly on the directory. My name is Lucas J. Hamilton, and I'm based here in Valley Forge. Thank you. Okay, good morning. This presentation is BSP 50 on our catalog. This is the science of specifying moisture and mold control in framed walls. This presentation is really about moisture and moisture management to a large degree. Some people actually refer to this presentation as moisture management. I would recommend that you be careful with that, though, because there are 4 other presentations on the portal that have moisture and moisture management in their titles. So if someone's asking for a moisture management presentation, please ask specific questions and find out if this is the program they're looking for or another one. This happens to be a very popular program right now. I get this request for this one a lot. So chances are this may be the one they're talking about when they say moisture management, but always do check and be sure because there are several of them there. This presentation is AIA accredited. So as such, please feel free to ask any questions you may have as we go through this. If the answer to your question would require us to violate AIA's guidelines, we will couch the answer until after the presentation has clearly been completed. And things that would cause us to violate their guidelines would be such as if the answer to your question required giving you a manufacturer's name or a product name, we can't do that. So we'll have to wait until afterwards to give you those kind of answers. This presentation is one of several that we have that qualify for both health, safety, and welfare and sustainability credits. Architects need an equal mix now of both of these credits. And the sustainability credits, which all have that symbol of the fern next to it on our catalog, these are the ones they want the most because these are the ones that are typically in the shortest supply. So you probably are getting a lot of requests for these. This qualifies for both. The attendee can choose which one they would like to apply towards. When we get done with this presentation this morning, hopefully we will be able to have an intelligent conversation about all of these issues. They do revolve around moisture. Fortunately, we did have our moisture management training earlier this year, and a lot of this information will sort of grow out of what you learned earlier in the year about moisture, because now we're going to get a little bit more into mold and not just moisture, because that seems to be what's on everyone's mind. Okay, now you've taught me about water. What is it about mold that I need to be aware of? So we'll talk a lot about that, but when we talk about moisture and mold, again, we're forced to talk about heat and air at the same time. These forces, heat, air, and moisture, are always tied together at the hip. So you can never completely discount the effects of any of these 3 on each other. So we always have to bring that back into the conversation.